Welcome to How Would I Paint That? This painting of two irises is stunning. The paintwork has so much bravado and the color is divine. One thing I'm confused about though is which of the two irises is the focal point. Whenever you have two of something, you need to make one dominant, the other subordinate. This is something I learned from this book, Oil Painting, the Workshop Experience, Ted Gorshner. I learned so much from that when I was learning how to paint, and I thought I'd pass that along. His point that you have to have something dominant and something subordinate is so that your viewer is not confused. It knows what you want them to look at. So in this case, you could make an argument for either of the two irises, I think, because of the same size, and they both have contrast. You might find you're more drawn to the one, the purple one, because the dark is really strong, and it also has the compositional element of the stem taking you there. So it has more of a lead in to it. The white one seems to be more floating, doesn't have any lines going to it. Which one do I want to be the focal point? I love that white one. It has just that papery quality to the petals, and I love the little dash of orange in the center. And so if I were going to try to make that one a little more important than the other, one thing that I would do is, first off, I have to have more contrast. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to there's some nice dark on the other iris. I'm going to imagine it's behind. That will help the other one be stronger because it's in front. Put it behind, make more dark go up next to it. I noticed too that there's the hint of a little iris below and to the left. I'm going to make that one darker because I need the contrast. And maybe some of this area underneath and around will have it. I'm going to put a couple more flicks of the bright white on the main flower. I want to have some lines that will take you there. I'm going to make more of a stem and maybe some more leaves, because I don't want the two stems to be the same either, because then we're back to which one's dominant and which one's subordinate. And that's really all it would take to tweak this painting. It's already pretty fabulous. To reiterate, you should have, when you have two of something, one should be dominant, one should be subordinate. Usually that's done with size. In this case, I've tried to make the contrast stronger on the white one. I overlapped it in front of the other two irises so that it's in front. That makes it more important. And make sure you have compositional elements that guide the viewer to the focal point. Happy painting!